Ladies and gentlemen, once again a warm welcome on board this flight in coach here with the Starlines Network. For the next 1 hour and 20 minutes, it's going to be our absolute pleasure to be looking after you. So I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce the crew to you this afternoon. My name is Imran and I'm the senior cabin crew member on board. Assisting me in the cabin, we have a Shawwal in business class and taking care of your safety and comfort. In the leisure travel section, we have Anton and Viola. As soon as Captain Derby deems it safe for us to continue with the service by switching off the seatbelt signs, we'll commence with the lunch, followed by a beverage service, which includes tea and coffee, weather permitting. For your entertainment, we will be activating some comedy clips very shortly. And for your reading pleasure, we've supplied you with a complimentary copy of our in-flight magazine, the Salbona, which can be found in the seat pocket in front of you. It contains some important travel and health tips, so please do take some time to peruse through this magazine. On the very last page of this magazine, you'll find some interesting in-seat exercises which will assist you in combating in-flight fatigue. To those passengers getting off in Johannesburg or traveling onward to Durban, Cape Town or Port Elizabeth, in this magazine you'll find the latest happenings that's taking place in these wonderful cities, which will assist you in planning your itinerary. If there's anything else that we can do to further enhance your comfort on this flight to Johannesburg, kindly bring this to the attention of any one of the crew members. We'd like you now to sit back, relax, and enjoy the warm hospitality of South African Airways.
Bedrooms, 9 bathrooms on the beach. That's about 2.5